Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on something different. Not used to working on boats. This is our new project. Come here, Tammy. And y'all meet the newest member of the family, old Tammy. We actually rescued her a couple days before we got the boat, so I guess this is a double rescue video. Let's get to it, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's do a walk around of this big old bayliner Sierra. I think it's a 2550. I have to look at the paperwork again. She's a big old girl. As y'all can tell, it's a big old girl. Cabin cruiser. Beautiful rig. Well, she will be. We have done a little bit of cleaning on it, but today we're working on the motor. Gonna need a different name, y'all. Gonna leave that up to y'all. Y'all pick me out a good name, put on this old tick turd right here, and let's go with it. Come on, Tammy. You want in the boat? If I can pick your fat butt up. Let me show y'all the cabin, then we're gonna get to work. All right, y'all. Up here in the boat, you got the cockpit. This was the captain set, which would be me. Whoop, whoop. Whoa, whoa. Okay, it ain't running right now. Still, we ripped the seating area out over here. It's all rotted. Gonna reupholster that. Gonna do away with this L-shaped seating. Give a little more room on the platform. She is nasty right now. Got the manifold off. Y'all can see it's busted. We are building a 355 Chevrolet. Fresh build to throw in this old turd. And redo some upholstery. Go down here in the cabin. Got a cat in here. Got a bed right here. Got the table and stuff. That folds out and makes a bed. Bathroom. Sink. Stove. Refrigerator. It works. Then the big queen size bed back here in the, I think they call it rear cabin berth or something like that. I don't know. I'm not a boat guy. Y'all tell me. So, with that said, let's get turning wrenches, y'all. Got to get the old out, get the new in. Alright, y'all, we're going to open the door to the engine room here. Yeah, I can say that. Engine room. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to get down there. Oh! Without falling. That's slick right there. Got her back. Y'all look how clean the inside of that motor is. Too bad it ain't no good. Like I said though, coming out with the old. Anybody knows anything about boats knows they're gonna be rust. Because there's always water in a boat. Always. No matter what. Alright. Let's just get to work. I'm going to have to run up here to the truck and get some more tools. Bubba, he's going to take over. Take it back just a minute. Alright guys, on this part right here, there's no audio. We lost the audio track on this little clip here. Bubba's working on it. We got it sped up for y'all. For your beer and pleasure entertainment. That's right. That's right. All he's doing right here is taking out the bell housing bolts. He's going to get them out. I'm not real sure what after he does that. What he does after that anyway, I don't know. Probably pet a cat or, I don't know, make fun of me or something. But I'm still around back getting tools. I ain't made it back around front yet, but I'm working hard on it. Just like him. You can tell he's working hard. This clip right here, you can see he's just sitting there doing nothing. Oh, wait, there he goes. Oh, yep. Oh, he stood up. Now he's doing something. I don't know what he's doing. Yep. Oh, he's coming to this side. Yep. Working hard. He's got that old snap on ratchet doing overtime. Look at him. I ain't never seen nobody work that hard and that fast. Man. Man alive. He boy ought to go to work for NASA. Somebody, that's like rocket science right there. I'm telling you. Just like rocket science. There he goes. He got that boat out. Threw it somewhere. Probably on the ground on him. Anyway, he's back at it again. Oh, he's getting. Oh, that's the last one, I do believe. Oh, looks like he had a little trouble. That one might have been a little tight. Oh, look at that. Look at them fingers. Girls, look at them fingers work. Jesus. Yep, there he goes. Screwing it out right there. Just about got it. Look at him. Twisty, twisty, lefty, loosey. Uh-huh. All right. He's, oh, no, there's another one right there. Oh, he had a double take on that one right there. Get it broke loose. But he got it. There you go. Spinning it out, spinning it out. All right, y'all. Bubba got all the bell housing bolts out. Now we've got to get them all rusted up motor mount bolts out. What are you doing with my cat, man? Don't kill her. The cat is spoiled rotten. All right, let me find a socket to fit in. What size do you think that is? Man, that's beautiful right there, y'all. Beautiful.
8, huh?
Yeah, I think that's 8mm. Give me an 8 plus about 10. No, actually, it's gonna be bigger than 18 too. Alrighty, guys, got that motor mount over there loose. Had to take the mount itself loose here. Pretty much got it ready to pull. Just a few more things to do here, but we're fixing to start stripping the inside out. Get all that stuff out of that thing. Old lazy cat up there. Look at her, y'all. It's lazy, lazy, I tell you. We're gonna get all that cleaned out and wait to get the motor finished built so we can get this one out and get it in. That's gonna be the first part of this series, restoring this boat. I don't know why, I've never been a boatman, but we're either gonna put it on the water or sell it. Either way, it's going on the water. All right, y'all, before we end this video, we're gonna try to get this old motor. She was stuck. We're gonna try to get it turned over. We're gonna pour some mystery oil down the intake runners. Got the battery hooked up. See if we can't get this old girl turned over, y'all. I think Bubba's gonna help it by pulling on the belt when I hit the starter. We'll see here in just a second. Let's get this poured in. Alright, y'all, take bets on if it's gonna run over, turn over. Leave a comment right now, cause she is stuck. But we did get it free. Bought what, a half inch, son? 3/4 inch, something like that. Pour some of that down in there. Got the plugs poured out over that way to blow all that stuff out, y'all. That's probably enough. Where's lead after that? What's right there, buddy? Give me a lead. You gonna pull on that belt? While I hit the key. See what she does. Say when. Moving any?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll hit it.
Got it freed up that quick, y'all. Marvel's mystery oil. And we put some silicone lube in it too. Hey, hey.
Smell like Christmas now.
Hey, high five. Yeah, it smells like Christmas. Good Lord, that stuff stinks. Hit it again?
Belt was holding on to it.
Belt was stuck, wasn't it?
Now once the belt
come loose.
Yeah, I saw it spin real fast right once that came on loose. I thought, oh yeah, you good.
Let's spin it over some more since we got some of that in it. Lube it up some more here. Cam working? Got one lifter right there, ain't working. Got one lifter over there, ain't working.
There you go.
Huh?
Probably loose, bro. Now spin it.
Push down on that lifter with your finger. No, lifter.
Oh.
Lifter, son, not the rocker. This front one right here. On up, on up. Right there with all that rust built, right there.
Oh.
Right there. Okay, there you go. Now see if it works. Ready? Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh, let me check oil pressure. Oh, it ain't gonna have no oil pressure. We ain't no screwdriver in it.
Yeah, no pressure gauge.
Throw that screwdriver in it.
No pressure ain't hooked up.
I know, but, oh, that's right, we unhooked it.
See?
Throw that screwdriver in it and see if we pump any oil right there real fast. All you gotta do is stick the screwdriver down in the hole. Get it lined up on that oil pump. I might have to bump it over, get it to fall down. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. See if we get any oil coming out of that. Ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah, we got oil pressure, y'all. Got oil pressure. Pumped it up pretty quick too. All right, y'all. Whoo! Still gonna pull the motor though. You know, we got that one freed up. That's probably gonna be it for this video, y'all. Y'all leave a comment. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that good stuff. Y'all gonna be many more videos coming on this thing. Something different for the channel, a boat. We usually just do trucks, you know. What's that knocking?